Okay. The question is find the square root of the following non-perfect square. Do you know non-perfect square? 49 is perfect. 25 is a perfect square. Uh, 16 is a perfect square.
Those
3 is a
squares
perfect sorry.
which are not coming from the same numbers, those are called non-perfect
Yes, yes,
squares.
yes. By perfect square we mean we can write this as
Like
this is
5 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25, and like
all
that.
of these are known as perfect square. Here you see 2, 3 and 3.5. These are perfect square or not?
No,
No.
no, sir, they are not.
Okay, good. So we have to find the square root of these non-perfect square. So first the square root of 2. Finding square root of 2. This one. So how will we do this one? That's it is all solved there, but we have to do it manually. So first, for square root, we just draw this one. Take the number of which you are going to find the square root. Okay, so on which table we can do this square root 2? In square root, we take 1 1s are 2 2s are 3 3s are 4 4s are
1,
5. Here, yes,
1.
good, good. So 1 1 are just take 1, and by subtracting 1 from 2, you are getting again 1. So in the next step, we double this one. So this will be 2 now. Can you do this 1 by 2? In table of 2, can you find 1?
No.
No, yes. So for that, just put here the point, then zeros and pair. Here we have the number 1. This 1 is not divisible by 2. So to make it divisible by 2, just put their point and 2 zeros. Uh, bring down.
सर इसका हम स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है.
No, ये solved. It is solved there.
Okay, okay.
But let me explain how that is done. Okay, so when you one ones are by one ones are you got 1 and subtract 1 from 2, you are getting 1. So this 1 is not divisible by 2. So for that, just put decimal the point there, just put point there, and after points, put 2 zeros and bring these zeros down. Now we have to put here a number and there. So that
Sir,
give you this 100 or less than 100.
4.
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
sir. Until you have done Venn diagram, and sir, sir, what is called that? Sir, for laws, sir, the laws, and now you're doing square root, sir.
Yes, we are doing square root now. Okay. So by putting point here, you must have to put that point there as well. Now take the in table of 4. You know when you write 4 there, that must be here. So now 4, 4, 4 the 16. So what is carried? 1 is carried. 4 2s are
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही.
4 2s are 8. 8 and 1. That is what will you? For 4s are 16. 1 carry. 4 2s are 8 and this one is 9. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now subtract this 96 from 100. What will you get? 4. Okay. So it is again, no, double this one, this 14 here. That will be 28 now. No, this 4 is not divisible by 28. So just put there 2 zeros again and bring these zeros here. Okay. Now on this table we can do this one. Here you see 281. If you take 2, so this becomes more than 400. So that's why just taking 1 here. 1. So 1, 1. 1 ones are 1, 1, 1, 1 eights are 8, 1 twos are 2. So now subtract. Here we have 9, 9 minus, no, sorry, 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. And there will be 9, 9 minus 8, that is 1. And here you see this will be now 4, and 4 minus 2 is 1. So just do it up to 2 decimal places. So your answer is 1.41 and so on. So it is increases. So I have just done it till this point. So it is enough. Okay. If you want to proceed.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the question is already solved there. Now the square root of 3. Now finding square root of 3. So you see, when you divide when you find the square root of 2 here, that is equals to 1.4114. So this will answer you like this, and this is still increasing. So for division, this
So this never ends.
down, 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 and this will never end. So for that, just do it up to 2 or 3 decimal places. Okay, I have done up to 2 decimal places, so it's enough. Now finding the square root of 3. So that is square root of 3. So how will we do this one? So let's explain it. We are finding square root of 3. So for square root of 3, what table should be there? 1 ones are 2 twos are 3 threes are, so what? 1 ones are 1. Subtract 1 from 2. Okay, put there a decimal point, then point there as well. So what should be the next step? Because when you double this one, so this will give you 2. So what will be the next step? 2 is there. So what should be multiplied here? That gives you 2. Who will reply me? Who will answer me? Ali Haider, Abdul Rahman. Are you hearing me?
7.
Are you there?
Yes, sir. We're here.
Okay. Not divisible by 0, 0. So on which table we have to, on which table we can do this one?
20.
You know, we take here 8, it is 16, 16 and 4, that will be, so this increases that this 200. if you take here 4, so that increases. So 4 will be reduced.
7, sir. 7.
So 7 ones are, sorry, 7 sevens are 49. Just put 9 here and carry 4. Then 7 twos are 14, and this 4 will be, this 4 will be 14 and 4 will be 18. Yes. No, just subtract this one by
सर
subtracting.
ये क्लास 10-20 में खत्म होती है.
Just subtract. So one will carry there, and that one, when it reach here, this becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Here we will have what? Here we will have 9. 9 minus 8 is 1 again, and there is 1, so it is 11 now. So now again, put there 2 zeros and bring these zeros down and double of this. So that's 17. So double of it, that will be 34. Now, on what table we can do this one? If we do 3, 4 fours are 16, so 4 threes are 12, that increases. So just take 3. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 threes are 9, and this one is 10. So when this becomes 10, 10 minus 9 is 1. So that is becomes 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. And this will be 0 and 0. So 71. So you just do the next one step more. Okay. So that's the solution.
सर
Yes.
सर ये क्लास 10-20 में खत्म होती है.
Last time खत्म नहीं हुआ.
नहीं 10-20 में खत्म होती है कहीं.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है. अब देखिए ये नेक्स्ट वन, ये जो है ये आप लोग खुद ट्राई करें, और इसका मैं तरीका आपको बता रहा हूँ. Do this one. Which one? 3.5. So how will we do this 3.5? You know, we have done the decimals. So doing this 3.5 square root. So how will we do? So 1 that you see here, you will just subtract. By subtracting, you are getting 1. So from the decimal point, you have to bring the pair down. There is 3.5, so just put there 0. Put 0 and there will be decimal. Bring that down, so this becomes 50. So this will be 250. Now you can do that. Just after 3, you are having 3.5. So when you do 3.5, so 1 ones are 1, subtract 3 from 1 from 3, you are getting 2. There was, these zeros were not there, but for the solution, make all these in pairs. So this was 3.5, so just put 0 with 5, so that becomes 50, and 50 is a pair. So you have to pair them. So first bring down this 50, this becomes 250, and double it, so that is 2. Now by a table of 8, you can do this one. Okay. And then the next step, bring these 2 zeros, again these 2 zeros. So that's the 1.870 is the answer. Okay, will you try? The solution is already there. Just practice on it. And for this, just you tell this point. And this, tell
Okay,
this,
sir.
okay. And for this, just do tell here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, now moving to the next slide. This is your homework. Find the square root of 6 and square root of 7. Okay,
Okay, sir.
let me give you a few hints. So for 6, just you will do this one. You see 2 2s are 4. So by subtracting 4, you are getting 2, and this will be now 4.
Two
That is,
ones are two.
yes, so it is not divisible by 4. So for that, just put decimal there and there, put 2 zeros and bring these zeros down. So on which table we can do this one? Yes, we can do this by 5, no, 5 4 the 20, no, 4, by 4 4 the 16.
4 4.
Okay, so now this will carry 1 there, and this becomes 10. 10 minus, so that is 4, and this is 9. 9 minus, that is 2. Bring 2 zeros again and double it. So this will be 44 now. So on which table we can do this one? For 6 4 the 24, we can do it by 5. 5 5 are 25, so 5 5 are 40, and this 42. 5 4 are 20, and this becomes 24. So no, it is not divisible by 5. This is 48, and do it by 4. Okay, do it by 4. Okay, so that will be 2.4 for the answer, and do the 7 in the same way. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
सर मैं तो फ्यूचर वाले पैसे ही नहीं
तो जहाँ पे आपको समझ नहीं है वहाँ पे पूछ ले। खैर ज्यादा तो समझ आया होगा ना, थोड़े में प्रॉब्लम है। खैर दैट वी विल डिस्कस। That was the last question of the exercise.
So now it's
Last
you.
or not? No, 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 that is not last one. Yes, this is a very interesting question. The next question is very interesting. So for that, can you tell me that if we are having a number like this one, by finding its square root, your answer will have how many digits? We are not interested in the answer, but we are interested in the number of digits in that answer.
सर ये 16 है।
Yes, 1600.
16.
So your answer will have how many digits? Okay, let me explain. Okay, don't worry.
Sir, wait.
Okay, you know, when you take the square root of 16, that will be what? The square root of 16. You know, square root 16.
4.
Yes, exactly.
4.
Very
Square
good.
root of
Very good.
4.
4 are 16. So
Sir.
here you got, if you are having 2 digits in the square root, your answer will have only 1 digit. Okay. 120,
Okay.
121. No, let's 100. The simplest one. If you are having
121. 11 11s are 121.
exactly, and the 101, how many digits will have at the
10 10s are
10 10, sir.
10? if you are having three numbers in the digit, three digits in the number, so your answer will have one less than that. Is it okay? One less than that. One.
Okay.
Here we will have that one. Okay. So for that, we have formulas and we have idea, not formula. We have the pattern. We have a technique. So the technique is x is n by 2 if n is even. What does it mean?
Sir, 3 minutes are left. 3 minutes.
3 minutes are left.
3.
Yes, sir. 3 minutes.
Okay, wait a minute. We will do it.
Sir,
Yes.
आपने अटेंडेंस ली है
नहीं.
तो ले लेना सर.
Okay. Atif is there.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And Atif,
Zen.
then. Yes, he is there. Have you received any call from the school?
No, sir.
Okay. Attendance of 7B. Today is
Who can, sir,
first
जिसे
of-
attendance दी है वो लीव करे.
क्यों कहाँ जाना है?
जरा रुको 2 मिनट है उसमें भी ये भाग रहे.